right, Valter, we're looking at Fotoba automatic number 2.
Yes.
This is the 1.6 or 1.8?
1.6, so it's actually a little bit more.
A little more?
It's 64 inches, but it can go, yes, space to accept the wandering.
Okay.
Because we cure the wandering, we cure the angle, remember.
All right, now, I want it on this one because you can see with the clear, I can see the little heads.
Let me run a few
Yeah,
prints.
you go ahead because they go running out. I love this.
Okay.
It amuses me. Everything is rolling. You just sent the job. Okay, off they go. Go forward.
That's it.
And slice.
So now the machine
And
is
slice.
sliced. The next one is the same size, so it goes
Next
on.
one, okay.
But now look at that.
Yes.
When it's
Oh,
scanning,
we have a different image and a different size.
see that is scanning, and then there you go.
Oh, he goes, okay, we got a problem. We got to change up.
Well, you don't need to think about it.
No, it handles it automatic. Here they go. Oh, they've been given marching orders. I love that.
There you have your sample, you remember?
It makes me so happy. There we go. That was the complaint that everyone had. I'm sending different images and different arrangements, and now it's all automated.
This is 5.
Yeah,
the next
slit
one is
cut.
3, I
Next
guess,
one,
right?
it's different. Oh, they go back to a different. Oh, that's so cool.
But if it would be the same, it can go on for the whole roll.
Yeah, it just goes on and on and on, and it handles everything. And you
Yeah.
can walk away. I go to lunch, it's done.
And again, if I leave it going, the roll will be gone in a few minutes.
Yeah, the problem is you can't leave it unattended at a demo because it'll cut the whole roll so
Yes,
fast.
I stop it.
Yeah, it'll burn through your media too quickly. All right, let's go look at the next one. This is your gift wrap.
Well, in this case, this is a device that has been made for the wallpaper business.
Yeah,
Because in wallpaper, you need to sell rolls, or so that the people can take it.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and that rolling by hand is a nightmare.
yeah, I don't want to roll my hand.
So we did this machine. We made quite a few, and then we discovered there's another application. So we're talking about applications where we are very
Yeah, you kind of
strong.
look at the application need and you engineer something
yeah,
for a
exactly.
problem.
No, but the customer are talking to us.
Yeah.
We have friends, they say, I need that.
And then
and
you
then
make
we
that.
make it. So we discovered that there is this market for a gift wrapping paper made digitally. So you can personalize wrapping paper with your kids, with your dog, with
Yeah.
your wife, with your house, with your motorbike. And then you make a big wrapping paper, and it's a business. It's a growing business. So this device, the combination of the two devices, this is unique too.
Sure.
The rolling system is very useful if you want to do this kind of
So you
production.
you do almost like a lot of custom engineering
Yes.
based on customers saying, customers saying, I want this.
Yeah, we try to have the vision of what is needed on the market.
Okay, so let's move on to the wall covering.
Okay.
This is, you want to start back here?
And this is we cooperated. We created what we call wallpaper factory, print factory, packaging factory, poster factory. So in other words, we try to transform a printer into a complete device that from a jumbo roll it can go down to wallpaper, can go down to poster, and we just apply on the end of it either winding up jumbo roll or using a cutter, one of the cutters, the standard cutter for wallpaper, or the XLA tool, the big and nice automation. So you can change every time the machine keep out to the Colorado. And so
Right.
you just have
Because
to
like the Colorado,
you just have to collect the prints. They're ready to go.
right, because the thing with the Colorado is the roll size is fairly small.
Yeah.
So you guys can attach a jumbo,
Yeah.
any size you want, weight, big, giant.
400 kilos, so which is about 800 pounds
Yeah.
maximum weight, and 32 inches diameter.
Yeah. Now you can put a big roll, put it on there. It goes through your rollers. It comes in perfect. Now you're going to attach it in line to the finishing.
So you can basically, if you would also run it through the weekend while
Yeah.
you're sleeping, you could put another jumbo winder here and go that 30-inch jump, start on the other side, and next Monday you have it here ready to go. In terms, go to the cutter, then they transform it, and you can deliver. So it is to make your system more productive but unattended.